To get the most out of Google Analytics, applying the right filters is crucial. Filters help you refine your data, exclude irrelevant information, and gain meaningful insights into your website's performance. First, understand the types of filters available. You have predefined filters for common tasks like excluding internal traffic, and custom filters for more specific needs. There are also include and exclude filters, which determine what data you see or hide. When applying filters, start by setting up a test view to ensure your filters work as intended without affecting your main data. This way, you can experiment with different settings and verify the outcomes before applying them to your primary view. One best practice is to exclude internal traffic, which is the traffic generated by your own team or company. This prevents skewed data and gives you a clearer picture of external user behavior. To do this, create a filter that excludes your company's IP address or a range of IP addresses. Another key concept is using filters to handle duplicate or fake traffic. For instance, if you notice a spike in traffic from a particular domain or IP, and it seems suspicious, you can set up a filter to exclude that traffic and maintain data integrity. It is also beneficial to use filters for data standardization, such as converting all URLs to lowercase or stripping unnecessary parameters from URLs. This helps in accurate tracking and analysis of your website's pages and campaigns. When creating custom filters, be precise and cautious. A small mistake can lead to significant data loss or misinterpretation. Always document your filters so you and others can understand the logic behind each filter. In conclusion, using filters effectively in Google Analytics is about precision, relevance, and maintaining data quality. By applying these best practices and continually monitoring your filter's impact, you can refine your data analysis, make more informed decisions, and ultimately enhance your website's performance and user experience.